Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP JPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that GBP JPY showing a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly perspective, we can see that GBP JPY has formed this head and shoulder on the monthly perspective. This is the dynamic resistance of this head and shoulder, with this head and the left shoulder and the right shoulder, which is the sign that GJ is preparing for a long-term uptrending market structure to a long-term downtrend. And at the same time, we saw that as soon as this market opened this month, the price has crossed this monthly high, grabbed the liquidity, now rejecting to the downside, means that we can expect now this market to continue to drop. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that the same kind of pattern. First of all, from this resistance line, GBPJPY has broken to the upside on the weekly, created this strong false breakout candle, and from that zone we have seen a big massive drop, followed by we have seen the price has gone to the same resistance zone. We see that this current weekly candle have just been respected that resistance zone, just little bit of false breakout to the upside, cross that high, and then closing below as a bearish candle. This is a long-term bearish market structure. Now as it grab liquidity from the top, we can expect now the price to break down, at least come back to this weekly support, or even breaking this low to create a new lower low. So with that being said, from the weekly as well, GBPJPY currently showing a strong bearish momentum. Now looking at daily, we see that from the daily there is a doji that is a strong liquidity gap from this resistance line, followed by another bearish candle. Now today, once the market opened, we have seen initially a test of the low, test of the high, but at the same time the price still has left a little bit of imbalance. This is the doji that has tested this high, and also this is the support of this daily doji, not fully tested by this current daily candle, and we could see later today a retest of this level as a resistance, and then we can expect GBPJPY to continue to drop to merge with this newly developed downtrending market structure. Now looking at the further lower time frame on the intraday, we can see that there is a typical head and shoulder here as well. This is the head and shoulder that has created, and this is the resistance of this head and shoulder. The price acted here as a resistance, created this move, the price went there again, tested the level, and we saw that this head and shoulder has been tested multiple times. Now what we can expect from this zone, as you see that the price already created a move to the upside from this 20 EMA. Now the sellers trying to sell this market. What I think that as this resistance has not been tested yet properly with this dotted line, which is the low of this daily doji, I think later today we might see another local bullish move to the upside. Along this zone, we could see that GBPJPY is giving us a strong rejection. As soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on GBPJPY, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GJ. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.